the technology industry, the whole IT industry, is moving from a product-centric world to a services-centric world. And this is going to have big implications, and that service-centric world is called the cloud, very broadly. But what it means is that software and hardware are sort of abstracting from each other. And hardware is just a way to get people the services they want. Let me give you a couple examples. Last year when Amazon introduced the Kindle Fire, Jeff Bezos said, listen, we don't look at the Kindle as a product, we see it as a service. They lose money on every Kindle they sell. Right? The same goes in enterprise computing, where you have things like Salesforce.com, Amazon EC2, ServiceNow, which are really run on these broad scale-out commodity hardware data centers where what customers value and pay for as a service is software. And so, you know, as we move in this cloud world, laptops are going to be free, just like cell phones are free, right? Amazon or Google just introduced a $250 laptop running Chrome the other day. You know, it's essentially a service delivery vehicle. Those are going to be free in a couple of years.
Clouds and cloud computing, as we're talking about, is not made of water vapor. People have this perception that we'll just put it in the cloud. It'll just be in the cloud, and it'll infinitely grow and expand and have capabilities for, you know, billions of people across the planet magically. You know, you do one of these I Dream of Genie things and it's in the cloud. It's not quite that good. It's not quite that fast. You know, inside those clouds, there's actually this stuff called silicon. And inside that silicon, you actually have to compute. And so you have to build things like data centers and networks and infrastructure. There's a lot that actually goes into building out this ubiquitous service that Jim describes that is omnipresent. It's wherever you need it to be. It's accessible from browsers in multiple geographies. And guess what? You don't know where it is. It's not like you have to go to your desk and you know where your PC is anymore. It's not like you have to go to the mainframe, for those of you who remember those days, and you go to the mainframe and you knew where the mainframe was because when there was a power outage, you went down, right? It's not that way anymore.